Assalamu alaikum class 7. Hope you are all fine. Subject computer science. Today we are going to start our new unit number 5, Introduction to Programming Languages. It's page number 114. Short introduction of this unit. All over the world, languages are the source of communication among human beings. Different countries have different languages. Similarly, in order to communicate with the computer, a user also needs to have a language that the computer understands. Such language is called computer language or programming language. There are different types of computer languages and software like assembler, compiler, and interpreter that translate one language into another. We will study about all these software in this unit. And after completing this unit, you should be able to define programming languages, define the terms program, algorithm, syntax, and instructions, describe the different types of programming languages, differentiate between low-level and high-level programming languages, define and explain assembler, compiler, and interpreter. Now come to the page 115. Our first topic is 5.1. What are programming languages? In order to communicate with one another, humans use languages. When we want to communicate with each other, we use different languages. Languages are the source of communication. It is estimated that about 6,000 languages are spoken in the world today, such as Urdu, English, Punjabi, Hindi, Arabic, etc. Without any languages, we cannot communicate with one another. Languages are the main source of communication. Approximately 6,000 languages are spoken in the world, in which Urdu, English, Punjabi, and Arabic, etc. are included. When we want to communicate with computer, we need a well-defined language which can be understood by computer. A computer only knows one language, that is called machine language. Human beings use different languages to communicate. Same as when we want to communicate with computer, we need a language, and computer only knows the machine language. It is a low-level language. Specific artificial languages, e.g. BASIC, C++, COBOL, etc. are developed which are written like English language but can be translated into machine language by using special software called language translator. Basically, it is a low-level language. BASIC, C++, COBOL are included in the artificial languages which are written like English languages. These languages first translated into machine language by using special software named language translator. An artificial language used to write instructions which can be translated into machine language by using language translator is called programming or computer language. All types of computer programs are written in their programming languages. A language used to write instructions for the computer. An artificial language used to write instructions that can be translated into machine language and then executed by a computer. English and other natural languages are not used as programming languages because they cannot be easily translated into machine language. English and other languages are not used as programming languages because they cannot be easily translated into machine languages. Every language is based on two things: grammar and vocabulary. Grammar means the structure of sentence and vocabulary means the words used in a particular language. Grammar is a set of rules that define the syntax for a particular language, and structure is an arrangement of words, and vocabulary are the word that is used in a particular language. In computer languages, mostly grammar is called syntax, vocabulary is called keywords, and the sentences are called instructions. As you know, English is a natural language. It has words, symbols, and grammatical rules. A programming language has also words, symbols, and rules of grammar. The grammatical rules are called syntax. Each programming language has a different set of syntax rules. Today we are going to cover exercise A, question number 1, define programming language. Its answer is on page number 115. An artificial language used to write instructions which can be translated into machine language by using language translator is called programming or computer language. Next question is differentiate between syntax and keywords. Its answer is on page number 115. Grammar means the structure of sentence and vocabulary means the word used in particular language. In computer languages, mostly grammar is called syntax and vocabulary is called keywords. You have to learn these two questions. Take care of yourself, class. Allah Hafiz.